first step to clean your air filter, you have to take it out of your bike. Now, every different make and model of bike has the air filter located in a different area. Some have a little side door here, some have it up at the front, but mine has it on the side here where the number plate is. Now, to take mine out, the tools I'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. To get to the air filter, I first have to take off the number plate, so I gotta take off this bolt here. This now reveals the air box. So you take the Phillips head screwdriver, undo this bolt here. And now you can get into the air filter. So there's a little screw at the back, you take that off, and then you can pull the whole air filter out. Next, after pulling your air filter out of your bike, you want to fill your first big bucket up with hot water about halfway up, and then you want to take your cleaning powder solution and dump it in till the water starts to get cloudy. Now, after putting your warm water and solution into your bucket, you want to take your air filter and put it into the bucket. Once your air filter is now in the bucket, then you want to let it sit for around 10 minutes. Next, after waiting around 10 minutes, use your hands by rubbing the air filter to get all the dirt out of it. But when you're doing this, make sure you never wring the air filter, or this can lead to rips. Step number 6 is now to grab your hose and wash down your air filter and to get all the excess cleaning solution out of it. Now, after hosing down your air filter, you're going to take your air filter here and then put it on one rag and cover it with another rag, and then leave that sitting overnight to dry. Now that you have let your air filter dry overnight, you're going to take your air filter oil and fill half the bucket up with it. And then once your air filter oil is in your bucket, take your air filter and squeeze it into the oil and then rub the oil into it. Now, after rubbing the solution all over the air filter, you want to squeeze it lightly to make sure there's no extra solution on it. Now, after waiting 2 hours, you're going to take your choice of grease and put it on the lip of the air filter, and this is where it comes in contact with the air box. And now for the last step, you're going to take your freshly cleaned air filter that's ready to go and put it back in the bike.